So, konnichiwa, Veronica des. Day 2 of talking in front of the camera until I get comfortable. So, kakauwi ko lang po from work and kanina habang break time namin, may nabasa akong random quote. And maybe someone here needs to hear this too. Sobrang nagandahan lang talaga ako kaya gusto ko siyang i-share. And ito po yung sabi dun sa quote. Don't ever compare your light to others. The sun and the moon don't compete, but they shine when it's their time. And it's such a beautiful reminder. Trust your own timeline. Kasi para sa akin, ang tanging competition lang na dapat meron ka is yung past self mo. Hindi buhay ng ibang tao, hindi achievements nila. Ang importante lang is kung mas better ka ba sa dating ikaw, kahit paunti-unti. Kasi hindi naman pare-pareho yung pace natin sa buhay. Some bloom earlier, some takes more time, and that's okay. Just because hindi mo pa nakikita yung progress mo ngayon, doesn't mean na wala ka pang nararating. Keep going quietly. One day, magugulat ka na lang kung gaano ka nakalayo. So, trust the process. Trust your own timeline. And I'm rooting for you.